These people are just completely LARPing these agentic systems that they claim are full agentic in their AI operating systems, but half of them are not even connected. People are just LARPing and using these tools, but they completely misrepresent. They are not practical. And I promise you, people who need to get practical work done are not looking at this and saying, oh my God, give me this. But they're really good if you want to attract views. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to work inside of an agentic session or even build out an agentic system. Fully practical that gets real output and work done. So first, Claude Code, Anti-Gravity. Anti-Gravity is a fork of VS Code. And I promise you, and I'm saying it now, these tools that are known as code bases are going to slowly start becoming productivity tools. You have to look at AI like a human. If you want a human to excel at a certain task, you have to give it three things: skills, context, and tools. The skills it needs to get the job done, the tools it needs to actually get that job done, and then context so it understands what that job is about. And it's the same thing with AI. So you ask Claude Code, hey Claude, these are three different things that I'm seeing myself do every single day. Ask me X amount of questions about who I am and what I do and what this task is going to get done. Then Claude is going to go through an entire interview and it's going to build out those three different folders. So for example, an emailing system, a marketing system, or a content system, and it'll build out the CloudMD files, the rules and instructions. And then once you're done with that, you ask Claude what tools in each folder you're going to need in order to make sure that it can actually get the job done. And so whether you are using SMP, which is Model Context Protocol, which allows AIs to work and interact with different softwares, or an API key. So now when you open up a new session, all you have to do is ask Claude to work inside each single folder when you need a certain particular task done. And so if you want it to be a full agentic system, you have to connect it to the cloud. And so for example, if you're getting a bunch of emails overnight, you can ask Claude every single morning at 9 a.m. to set a new schedule to give you an entire breakdown and overview of the emails that were received overnight. And I know I went through it very quickly, but please understand this is how real agentic practical systems work, not these fancy LARPing AI visuals that people just tell Claude to create them, these cool flashing graphs in 3D. And I have an entire guide and overview to actually show you how you can implement these different systems inside of Codebase using Claude Code or whichever LLM that you decide. So just comment agentic and I will send you that guide.